Hey guys, Sam here with Grit Motorsports. Hey, just wanted to bring you guys a quick video showing a kind of sight lap of the track at Hartman Rocks in Gunnison, Colorado. Super fun track. It's kind of like the coolest, not regularly maintained track that you can find over here toward the western slope. At least in my opinion. Talked to some others that have been around, and it's a good one. Um, You'll see in the video some fun jumps. Obviously, it's not a motocross track that is regularly watered and tilled up, and the dirt out here is different and all that. But if you're in the area, definitely worth checking out, especially if you're out at Hartman. You got to swing in, see if you can get a little bit of air time while you're out there. This is just me on a quick sight lap, going slow. Honestly, don't know how impressive I would be if I was going faster because I'm not a moto guy. So check it out. Hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.
All right, well, give it a shot. Get us a little sight lap here. Full sight lap.